when I do this, it has to go, guys. It has to. Like, I need makeup brushes. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's your girl Tynafey. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of these makeup brushes I just got, and I got them from AliExpress. These brushes, they are amazing, guys. They are really amazing. Zoreya brushes, and these brushes, they are amazing, guys. I basically got mostly for foundation, contour, and yeah, contour brushes. Is a contour brush, is 863 brush, and this brush is amazing, guys. It's really amazing. This is how it is inside, guys. This is how it is inside. So this is the brush, guys, and this shade is 863 shade, and it's also a Zoreya brand. Second one I'm going to show you guys is a powder brush. It's also Zoreya. It's a powder brush. This is it, guys. It's a powder brush, and it is 875D. God, I absolutely love this. It's so good. It's so good. I need to do like a try on for you guys to see, but I cannot do a try on because I actually got some makeup on my face, so I cannot do a try on. Just a review of this brush. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is a flawless concealer brush, and this shade is 860, and it's so nice, guys. It's so nice. Look at this. How cute is this? This is so nice. So this is the shade, guys. So this is, oh no, I just want to just take out this makeup and start using my face, and it's so nice. Like, it's so nice in the hand. I'm going to show you guys is a contour. It's a flat contour brush. I never had a flat contour brush before. This is the brush, guys. This is it. So if you can see very well, it's a flat contour brush, and this shade is 866. So this is the brush, guys. This is so nice. God, it's so nice, and it's really good, guys. Look at this. It's so nice. So if I use the contour, when I do this, it has to go, guys. It has to. Like, I need to try these brushes. I need to try these brushes. So the next brush I'm going to be showing you guys is Sculpting face brush, and it's really nice. I never had a sculpting brush before. I really do not know what it's actually used for. I need to read the manual very well before I use it. It's planted foundation brush, guys. These brushes are so amazing. Don't mind my voice because I've lost my voice recently from this football. So nice. OMG, it's so nice. I love it. I'm definitely going to order more brushes from them. Maybe I should order eyeshadow brushes from them. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is pointed foundation brush, guys. This is a pointed foundation brush, and these brushes here, I'm gonna do a try on only these brushes, and they're amazing, guys. They're so amazing. Look at this. Oh, hallelujah, I love this. So guys, this pointed foundation brush is the 87. The shade is 874. Oh, this is so nice, guys. It's so nice. So this is actually a foundation brush. So you're planning on ordering a new set of brushes and you don't know what is actually good, I got you covered, guys. I got you covered. These brushes right here, they're amazing, guys. They are so nice. They are so nice. I love them. Oh, I love them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it very interesting. Don't forget to share it to somebody that needs brushes, guys, that needs makeup brushes. So guys, I'll be catching you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye and stay blessed.